right? Okay, so what we can do first, let me initiate this upgradation. In case of any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, right. So as you're upgrading the instance, you're upgrading default instance. If you're upgrading another instance, you can choose from this drop down button. I'm only having one instance, that is default instance, that you're upgrading, okay, from 2017 to 2019. So default instance is selected here, and you can go to next. Right here, no need to select any feature. Okay, whatever features that are selected. Okay, don't select any other extra features and all. Keep it as it is, and you can go next. Okay, just a minute, it is loading. Okay, so you can see, you cannot uncheck or check the features again. Keep it as it is. Of course, you cannot do anything in the screen. Go next. And you cannot change the instance name also. It is still showing named instance. Okay, it is not named, it default only. Okay, you cannot change your instance name also during upgradation. You can go next. Please mute it, guys. Right, okay, service accounts and all. Okay, nothing we are going to change here. Go next. So we are going to use the import option only. No need to choose any rebuild or reset. Just make sure import is selected and don't change anything here. Just go next. Again, it will go for some checks whether this is eligible for in-place upgradation or not. As I told you, we'll have, okay, addition upgradation check here. Okay, addition upgradation, right? I told you, right, what is the addition upgradation check? Same addition to addition you can upgrade. Okay, as you want to upgrade 2017 developer edition to 2019 developer edition. Okay, so you have to attach 2019 developer edition software, and then you have to open 2019 developer edition software setup file, and you can proceed next. By mistake, you just attach 2019 enterprise edition software, and if you open 2019 enterprise edition setup file, in the screen it will be failed. Why? Because edition is mismatching. Okay, in the screen, in the features, not features, in the back screen. Okay, feature rule in the screen, actually that step will be failed. You cannot go next, and it will be failed. What is the prerequisite? Same edition to edition you can upgrade. Okay, fine. And just click on upgrade. You can see action is equal to upgrade, and just click on upgrade button. So automatically you can upgrade the instance. This is the process. See here, I even did not change any setting. Simply next upgrade. That's it. But in the installation and all, you have to change a lot of things and all, right? So, but here I never changed any setup, any setting, simply next, 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 upgrade. Okay, so the main prerequisite again here, same edition should be there, otherwise you cannot upgrade. Okay, SQL Server, same edition to edition only you can upgrade the SQL Server. Someone started video, I guess. Who started video? Anjaneyulu. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so this is how you are going to upgrade the SQL Server. Right. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Any doubts? Any doubts here, please? Once it was successful, it won't take much time. Hardly 10 minutes it will take. Okay. So once it was successful, okay. So installation, upgradation. Once upgradation is successful, the build number will be changed or not changed, guys? Tell me.
చేంజ్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్?
Is it?
సేమ్ అయితే చేంజ్ అవ్వదు సార్ మనం చేస్తున్న అప్గ్రేషన్.
Same means what is meant by same?
I think we may need to restart.
Okay. Afifa, tell me whether this bill number is going to change or not. If yes, to what number it is going to change? What will be the new number? Just tell me first 2 digits. That's fine for me.
I hope so. It moves to the 15.
కాబట్టి 140 నే ఉంటది సార్.
First of all, where is 140?
సార్ అది సార్ 14.0.
Okay, so it won't change the bill number.
నో సార్.
Why?
మనం అప్గ్రేడ్ చేస్తున్నాం అంతే కదా సార్.
Okay, so that's why it won't change.
Do we need to restart the server, sir?
Yes, before and after upgradation, we have to restart the server. Okay, it's best practice. It's always best practice to restart the server before and after upgradation. Okay, so yeah. Tell me, it will be changed to 15.0 or it remains same as 14.0?
Oh, I hope so.
14.0 నే సార్.
But Afifa is very confident, guys. What we'll do?
నో సార్, జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ చెకింగ్ సార్. అప్గ్రేడ్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా, ఒకవేళ చేసిన 14.0 వస్తుంది, రీస్టార్ట్ చేస్తే మనం 2019 SQL సర్వర్ కాబట్టి 15.0 రావచ్చు సార్. మేబీ.
Very good, very good. That's okay. So that's fine. You are saying you're considering restart. That's fine. That's fine. So you have an idea, once we upgrade from 14.0 to a new version, new like 2019, it will be changed to 15.0, right?
Correct, sir.
Right. The answer is correct. Why? Because we are upgrading to 2019, right? 2019 means the build number is 15.0, right? So after upgradation, no need to restart. Without restarting itself, it will be changed to 15.0. But it's best practice to restart the whole Windows machine, not SQL Server. Whole Windows machine. Why? Because upgradation is a downtime activity. So we took the approvals from the customer and all. Again, what is the process, guys? Process is same as patching. You have to request Windows, not Windows team, sorry, application guys. Okay, so we are planning to upgrade the SQL Server, or sometimes they only ask us to upgrade the SQL Server. So then the process is we have to request them what is the available window when we can do this upgradation. Upgradation is a downtime activity. SQL Server will reboot multiple times automatically. So application will be down. So when we can go with the upgradation, okay, then they will tell us one window, okay, Saturday evening, Sunday morning, then raise the change request, represent the change request in the CAB meeting, make sure it is approved. Once the change request is approved, check all the precautions. Check the precautions as discussed with the patching. Check all the precautions. Okay. Then before upgradation, restart the Windows Server once. Proceed for okay upgradation. Then after patching, after upgradation, again restart the Windows Server. Make sure everything is properly configured, properly there or not, all the objects are properly there or not. Check SQL Server error logs and all, just basic health checks. Check all the databases are online, check all the services are up and running. Then inform to Windows team and they will also check from the not Windows team guys, inform to application team, and they will also check from their side. If anything issue they found, compatibility and all, immediately they'll get back to us. Otherwise, they will happily work with the application and they will let us know no issues found. Then we have to close the change request. This is the process. Okay, so I guess it was no, it is still completing. Okay. Right, so this is the process guys. So any issues, any doubts, let me know. Tomorrow I'll show you how to do the migration. I guess we are already running okay late, so it will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete this one. So tomorrow I'll show you how to do the migration. As discussed, the migration we have already discussed how migration will work, what is the advantages of migration. Tomorrow I'll directly jump into the migration by using backup restore. We'll complete migration tomorrow. If we have some time, we'll start Active Directory setup. Okay, tomorrow onwards, very important topics we are going to start. Okay, HADR, high availability disaster recovery. Okay, under this HADR, first day we'll set up Active Directory domain services. Okay, second day onwards, log shipping, mirroring, replication, Windows clustering, SQL clustering, and always on. These 6 topics, usually these are our topics. Okay, these are our topics. These are important, but for the real-time setup and all, we are going to configure Active Directory. In the organization, Windows people will configure this one. But for us, we are only Windows team, we are only network team, right? For our practice. So we are going to configure Active Directory. After that, we are going to discuss all these topics, very important topics, high availability disaster recovery topics. Okay. This is our plan. So might be each topic will discuss 2 days, log shipping 2 days, mirroring 2 days. Okay, so all the challenges and all will discuss. So might be, I'm not sure tomorrow we can start Active Directory. So in case if we start by 6th Active Directory will configure 7 and 8 log shipping. Saturday also I'll take the class. Mirroring I'll start 9 and 11 mirroring. 12, 13 replication. 14, 15 Windows clustering. 15 actually Vijayadashmi is there, Dasara. So I'm going to take the class, but let's see. Okay. And 16 SQL clustering will discuss. 16 and 18 will discuss SQL clustering. And 19, 20, come on, always on. And again, I guess it will take up to okay 23rd guys. It will take 23rd to complete the classes. So this is our plan. Just wait, once it was completed, then we can close the class for today.
Shanmugh?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, in migration, for jobs, we can script it out, but in maintenance plan, we want
Maintenance
to
plans
maintain
we
same
cannot
kind of
script it
maintenance
out.
plan.
There is no option to script out the maintenance plans. Okay, only jobs you can script out. Maintenance plans you have to create it manually again after migration is successfully completed. Okay, again you have to create maintenance plans manually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sanmukh, earlier we are using upgrade advisor, but currently in this version 2007.
Earlier we have upgrade advisor. Upgrade advisor is a tool which will help you to generate a report. What and all older features are working or not working in the newer versions. To generate that report, we are going to install upgrade advisor. But for new versions 2017, 2019, okay,
Yes.
upgrade advisor is not required. You can directly go for it. This is just a tool to check what are the features are supporting. But before upgradation itself, we are going to do some homework, what features are going to support in the new version and all. So that's why we don't usually go for upgrade advisor in the organization. Also, for older versions also, we don't prefer upgrade advisor. We'll directly jump into the upgradation. But in case if anyone asked you in the interview, what is upgrade advisor and all, upgrade advisor is a tool. The tool you have to install from this installation center. Then you can generate a report, what and all features that are working in the old features, okay, and not working the same features in the new version. it will generate the report of those features. Okay, just to generate the report only, it will be useful for us. Okay, nothing, we are not going to do anything with upgrade advisor. So till now, whatever you are using machines 4 GB, you can practice till now, till today, and of course for tomorrow also, migration also. But from HADR onwards, once we started HADR concepts, 4 GB RAM is not sufficient. At least 8 GB is needed. Make sure you have that setup. And again, log shipping, mirroring, replication, Windows clustering, SQL clustering, always on are very important topics. Try to complete on the same day. Try to complete the practice on the same day. Okay, again, if you postpone the things till weekend and all, might be you may get confused. So, okay, very important topics. 60 to 70% interview questions you will get from these topics only. Remaining 30% you will get from other topics. Okay, 30 to 40%. So make sure you are good in HADR.
How many missions at the same time you're going to use maximum? It is 3 or 4 to practice HADR.
HADR at a time 3 you can use.
Okay.
3 machines, one will act as active directory, one will act as primary, second one will act as a secondary.
Yeah, because I tried actually. I have 8 GB RAM. Okay.
Okay.
When I tried to do
You are
4th,
using VMware or Oracle VirtualBox?
Oracle VirtualBox.
Okay, that's fine. Oracle is better when compared to VMware.
Yeah, when I try to do 4th mission, it is going
It
to
won't
hang.
take. So in case, no, not at all possible. See, 4th machine means what you can do is you can create each machine with 500 MB, 512 MB RAM. 512, 512, 512, 512, 2 GB for your machines. Okay. Or at least do one thing. Create 3 512 machines, one 1 GB or 2 GB. Okay. 2 GB, imagine whichever you are using regularly. Try to create that machine with 2 GB. 2 GB plus all remaining machines are 0.5, 512 MB. Okay. So those are like 3 into 0.5, how much? 1.5 GB and 2 GB, 3.5 GB. For local, 4.5 GB will be there.
Okay.
But if you go with 512, you know, right, how slow it is.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, that is the problem. If you still want to go with the 4 machines, you can go. But create one machine with 2 GB, remaining all other machines with 512 MB. That is fine.
Okay.
Why? Because while
Shanmugh?
doing this, yeah, tell me, madam.
ఇప్పుడు హెచ్ఏడిఆర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ వెళ్ళక ముందు ఈ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ సర్వర్ 2019 మేము అప్గ్రేడ్ చేసి ఉండాలా సిస్టమ్ లో?
No, not required, not required. This is a separate topic, that is a separate topic. There is no dependency. Okay, you can, it's not mandatory that you have to upgrade. That is completely different.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Yeah. So you can see and again check whether all components are successfully upgraded or not. Check with using this bar. Okay. Now you can see all the components are successfully upgraded, and you can close it. Now you can see 14.0, right? Refresh it. It will be change it to 15.0. Okay. Right. It is taking time. Right. Now you can see, right? It was changed to 15.0. Okay. So now if you see the properties of this instance and all, this is SQL Server 2019 instance now. Okay, so in this way, you can upgrade SQL Server data center edition. This is the operating system, not this one. The SQL Server developer edition. Okay, so 15.0 you can see here, right? 15.0.2000.5. In case you want to check the version completely, go for selected version. There you can see SQL Server 2019.
Sir, మనకి high hour any servers calls వస్తుంది సార్?
3 servers at a time. We are going to use 3 servers. Okay. Select.
మన 3 అప్ అండ్ రన్నింగ్ ఉండదు సార్ ఓకే
Yes,
3
yes,
అప్ అండ్
of course. Otherwise, you can create 100 servers if they are not up and running at a time. Okay, so you can see here selected at version, you can see SQL Server 2019 RTM 15.0, and you can see all your databases will remain same. All your logins with permissions will remain same. Srinath permissions. Okay, user mapping. For Srinath, we gave different permissions. On Azure, we gave these permissions. On Myntra, we gave these permissions. On upgrade demo, we gave these permissions. Okay, logins with permissions are remain same, and you can go to jobs and all your jobs will remain same. Okay, this is your full backup job. So nothing will happen to your objects. Everything will remain same. Only version is going to be changed from your 14.0 to 15.0. Okay, so this is how we are going to do the in place upgradation. Okay, so tomorrow I'll tell you how to do the side by side migration. Then if time, I'll try to extend tomorrow onwards sharp 7 o'clock I'll start. How many of you are there? I won't bother about you. Sharp 7. Why? Because we have to discuss a little bit more. Okay, sharp 7 I'll start. Try to attend by 7. Don't wait till today like 7:10 and all. Try to attend by 7, sharp 7. How many are there? I'm going to start it. I don't wait also. 7 to 8:45. Okay, 7 to 8:45. Okay, guys. So we'll meet tomorrow at 7. Try to join by 6:59 only. Okay, right. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.